Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and this video we're going to talk about how you can clone yourself or duplicate yourself in the photo. In this video you can just talk about how you can do it in the photo, but for the video the process is a little bit different. The software we use are a little bit different. So before going further, you need like few things to capture that shot. So first thing is you need a camera. So for me, I use this HD cam because it gives me that wide angle so that I can capture. It's not a big room, so I can capture a lot of area because it have that wide angle. But you can use your phone if you are shooting outside, or you can use your DSLR if you have the wide angle lens or anything. You can just like shoot with the regular camera, but the only thing is you need a lot of space to cover that wide area. So in my room, if I use like my DSLR or my mobile camera, so I'm not covering that area, so the area would be like a issue for me that time. So and the second thing you need is a tripod or a surface where can you mount or put your mobile or your camera so that it doesn't move, because if it's move, then in the post processing it would be very difficult for you to align all those things. So let's begin the video. So one thing guys, I would like to mention that it's not a like very complicated process. It's going to be very easy video, so anybody can do it, so you don't need like a lot of technical skills or something like that. I hope everyone can do that. So let's just come back to the video. So I have my tripod here, and then I have my HD cam placed here, right? So let me just increase the ISO because lighting is an issue in my room. Basically I want my work desk to be full lit, so it's done, and not like so much lighting in my room, so that is why it's like a little bit lighting issue. Yeah, so you can see like this is the area which I'm getting. So you just have to align yourself. So first picture I have took, I just slept over there using my phone, so that's the first picture. Then I just sat over there, and then third one I'm reading a book over there, and then fourth one I'm like using my PC and just talking to myself somewhere there. So yeah, so that's how you click the picture. And when you're clicking the picture, so what you have to do, you just have to like take your position and then just put the camera or whatever you have on the timer. So you just have to put it on the timer. Like I use a 10 second timer, so I have enough time that I go to the position and then just set myself, and then we get good to go. So the first shot, I just then you just have to hit the record button, like I mean capture button, and then you just go take your place and it will click the picture for you. And the second thing, without moving the camera, you just have to press the button and then just go to the position and just take your positions, and then you're good to go. Once you do that, like without moving your camera, because if you move that, it would be a problem in the post processing, so you don't move your camera. I mean, that's why I'm saying you need a stable space. Like if you have tripod, then good to go. If you don't have, then place your camera or your mobile wherever, but it should not move like even an inch. If it moves, then it would be like difficult. So let's go, and I already have the picture, so I'm going to show you guys what you can do in the post processing to make it look the way you want. The clone and then duplicate stuff. You can of course see things. So I'm just opening the Photoshop now, so you just have to open this Photoshop. So you need Photoshop for this. Like maybe I don't know about other tools how they work, but I'm using Photoshop, that's why I'm telling you. You can use any version of Photoshop, like of course they are available over the internet, and if you are like a guy who love to do all those things, so you should have Photoshop at least. So yeah, so what you have to do, you just have to select all four of them and then just drag it to the Photoshop, and then you can see like all four pictures are here. And then what you have to do next, like let's say this one, take the another one, bring it here and drop it and just align it in the center, and then same goes to the other two. You just have to do it like this, and then the fourth one. Or if you're facing any issues, then what you can do is like select all of them and then says middle align and center align all of them, so it will fix the issues. Like if you when you dragging stuff, so it's not unaligned or something like this. So you can see like we have the first picture here on the layer section, then the second picture is here, then third picture is here, and then fourth picture it moves a little bit, so we'll fix it. Like I'm going to show you. So just unselect all of them, So just open this layer, and what you have to do, you just have to delete the area, like this area, because you know that this is the portion from here. I think, I'm sorry about this, and from like we can delete it because the previous picture is like not the both pictures, like especially me, because I'm the only character moving in the picture, so these things are fixed. So select this and then just select this and then just like delete this area, press delete. There we go. So our first picture is here, and if you just go a little bit zoom, then you can see that this line here, because when you change position, so your camera, because we have not chosen any manual settings, and when you move, so your shadows and everything make a little bit differences on the exposure and all those things, so that is why you're seeing this. So I'm going to show you what you can do with it. You just have to take the eraser tool, like eraser tool is right here. You can press E to just activate it, and then just decrease the flow to around 9 or 10, you can say, and then just move it around over there, like on the position where you just have deleted that. So you can see like it's gone, no more there, right? So the first picture goes like this, and then the same process goes to the third picture because it is right here. So I'm thinking about this pole, I can delete like from here till there. There we go. Yep, I can see like मेरा थोड़ा पैर कट गया यहाँ पे, but we can fix it. Like we have to select the eraser tool and then we can just start erasing. Yes, and then a little bit on the bottom, so if there's anything, you can see that there's like a huge line because it's my shadow coming to that pole. And then what we are, again we have to use the eraser tool, so it will fix all those with like the hardness is 0, and the size you can like make it yourself, like how you want, big size or you want small size. And then opacity is 100%, the flow is 9%, so you just have to care about that flow. And of course the hardness should be 0, because if it's 100% or more than that, it will start making some trouble. And then here we have the third picture in here, and then the fourth picture. So you can see like it, this time it moves, like the chair moves and the screen, and then a little bit frame also moves. But let's see how we can fix it. So we just have to select it and then we can delete it till here. No, we have to delete a little bit more, but let's take it till here, because I don't want to be cut all those things. I want all those things from this picture so that it doesn't look that odd. So what you can do, you just have to select the eraser tool, make sure that the layer you're working on is selected, and then you can like start like doing this, and then you can see the things are start coming because we're erasing the overslide. And then you can see like, yeah, this thing, and then we can just do it. Yep, good to go. And then a little bit up over there in my head. Yeah, let's delete this little bit here, because on these areas, like for example this, I can easily fix all those things. And then but especially like when it is like these kind of stuff, so texture things are a little bit hard to do that, so that's why it's like, yep. So here we have, I hope everything's fixed. If you think like, you can just go a little bit close and you can see, because I cannot see anything like which is going wrong, right? So here we have the 4-in-1 picture. So you can do the processing how you want. I usually do it in Lightroom. After this you can just like go to file and then just like save as, yes, save as, and then just go to desktop and just name it like, I want to name it like 4-in-1. That would be a great name. And then JPG, and then just save it. And if you want the raw or Photoshop file, then you can just press Ctrl S and then can save it in the PSD format. So if you want to make any changes further on, then you can do it easily. So that's it. I hope you guys like it. And guys, I'm not sure about this, but I hope you can definitely find a lot of like mobile applications so that you can do all those things in a mobile. If you don't have Photoshop and all those things, of course you got your mobile, and then probably there'll be like, I think you can do a lot of applications. Even the Photoshop is available for mobile, then it's free, then you can use it. I hope it will work. And then a lot of other softwares are there, so just try and see. And don't forget to, like, when you're done and you have created your own image, then don't forget to tag me in the picture, so I'm going to share it on my story. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you guys next time. Boom.